Hello everyone, this is Adam from Mecanto Product Reviews. Today I'm going to take you inside of Traffic Connect. I'm working on my product review for this right now. I'm not quite done. By the time I publish this video, you will be able to check it out because I will be done. But my review is partially contingent on this product itself, as you can see here, and being that this is my first time actually using it, I need to kind of go through this, and I'm going through it live on YouTube, and then afterwards I will finalize my product review, and on that review you will find my free bonuses and discount. So let's go ahead and bring up Traffic Connect and kind of take a look at the interface here. It's not cluttered. It's neat, very neat layout. You can see the tabs up here to kind of navigate. I think what it's trying to get you to do basically is to go in this order, kind of a step-by-step type of approach. So you have your help section. It tells you what it is. Now, ICC keywords, don't be confused by the different title within this program. This is indeed Traffic Connect. So I want to be clear on that. This is also version 2.0. This product was actually in private use much of last year, but that was version 1.0. During that time, we've seen that it was proven to get great results. What it does basically is find profitable keywords for you, and then it also allows you to curate content from around the internet, and then perhaps most importantly, add the silo structure to your website that gives you a huge advantage in the search rankings. Google and other search engines absolutely love the silo structure, but many people like myself, we struggle to understand what is really meant by a silo structure, and what does Google actually want to see in a silo structure, and then even if we understand that, how do we implement it? So that's always made me shy away from adding the silo structure to my own websites. I'm sure some of you watching this can relate to that, but we don't need to worry about that anymore. Supposedly with this software, it's going to take care of the silo for us, so I'm very excited to look into that. So let's get started and kind of take a look at this within this program and see what we've got. Okay, so the first thing we have up here in the tab area is the settings. So what we're going to do is enter each target blog's admin credentials and test your login. Basically, this program has to link up to your blog, obviously, so it can work through your blog. And it says make sure you install Silo Factory plugin on each target blog via the plugins area of your blog's WordPress admin section. So I'm going to do that. What I'm going to do is actually log in to one of my test blogs that I use for demos and things like that. I'm going to log in there and then come right back and kind of set this up with you guys as much as I am able to. There is some sensitive information here, but we will be right back nonetheless. Okay, so here I am inside my website. This is what it looks like. It's a really plain site, and it's got all kinds of random stuff on here. As you can see, I've obviously used it for different WordPress products and things like that. You can see all the plugins installed on the left here. Anyways, what you want to do is go to your plugins on the sidebar and add new. Once you do that, you're going to select Silo Factory, which is the plugin that comes with your product, and install it now. It's a small file, so it won't take long. As you can see, I'm already on the confirmation and activation screen, so go ahead and activate your plugin. Now once I do that, I'm going to come back over to Traffic Connect and see what I'm supposed to do next. And make sure you install Silo Factory. Okay, I've done that on each target blog. So far we only have one target blog via the plugins area, which is where we just were. So with that, I guess we come over here and start filling out our profiles. So if you're confused like me about what exactly it wants in each of these fields, just hover over the question mark. This friendly name that you choose for your, I'm going to give it the name. The name is going to be my website domain's name. I'll call it ZeroBest without the extension.com. I'll just say ZeroBest. The address is going to be, let's see, the root URL of your blog. So we'll just go here, copy that, and paste it in here. Now the login, I'm going to have to pause for a moment as I fill in the login and password for you. Okay, so we've got the login and password in there. Alternate XML RPC file name, what is that? Some hosts are blocking. So this depends on your web host. I will find out whether I need to deal with it or not. Go ahead and test your credentials, and it says logged in successfully. That's great news. So from there I can save this, and my profile is added under the list there. Now it also integrates with SEMrush and Amazon Associate, which is the Amazon affiliate program. If you have either of these, go ahead and click and just enter your credentials there. But for now, for the time being, I've got my blog set up, so we can move on to the next tab, Silo Projects. Okay, so this brings us into a new area, the Keyword Hierarchy Designer. So what we want to do is create a new project. I'm going to call this, let's see, we need a keyword, so let's think about, I'm gonna pause just to think of a random keyword to use here. Let's go ahead and the product that I once promoted was called Easy Sketch Pro. I'm not sure if this is gonna work out or not, but we'll find out. So I'm gonna call this test number 1. I'm gonna save that. Your project has been saved. There it is. Profile. Select my blog here. Title. This is going to be the name of my project, but you can go ahead and change it. So now we've populated this whole top section just like that. We can save the settings. I'm not sure what the import and export. What are we talking about? Select file to upload. So this would be, I guess this would be data, if you wanted to import and export data. Okay, so a moment ago I had an error message here that said basically my Silo Factory plugin was not authorized, so I hadn't entered the license key in WordPress yet. So I paused and I went ahead and did that, hit refresh down here, and then it added these pages from my blog down here in the blog primary menu. As you can see, I don't have any categories. So let's go ahead and add some just for the sake of giving us more to look at and work with here. So I'm going to do, I wish I had a complete test website to work with so we could, you know, build a silo on a complete unsiloed website. But since I don't, I'll try to kind of make do with what I've got. Part out of the video. Now we're going to do this. Apps, WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, ebooks, and we'll just leave it at that for now. Oh, we put one more. We'll do courses as well. Courses. Okay, so we have these 5 categories. Go back to our program, hit refresh, and the new categories are right there. So we may not even use the existing categories. I'm just kind of putting stuff here as resources. Again, as you know, this is my first time using this program. But basically what we're doing here is we entered our first keyword and we're trying to create a hierarchy, a keyword hierarchy, because this is going to end up being our silo. And basically my understanding of a silo, and again, I'm one of those people that have heard many definitions of silo, and that's one of the reasons I'm interested in this program, because I need something to help me create a proper silo, because I'm not sure I even know what a proper silo is. Having said that, um, my understanding is that you start with the main keyword. That's your top category. So Easy Sketch Pro is our top category, and then the subcategories for that might be like Easy Sketch Pro Review, Easy Sketch Pro Bonus. We'll probably see those in a moment when I actually run the analysis and things like that. And those would also be not only our sub keywords but our subcategories for the silo. So with that said, let's get started. Now I don't have SEMrush, so I'm not going to do the second one, which is probably why it's grayed out. But we can open Content Editor to add content to this silo object. Let's just see what that is. I'm not going to actually do it yet. Image Browser. So this is the curation tools here. This is where you would curate content, whether it's media, images, and what have we got here? I guess that's a monetized button. But so that's your content editor. But first, we want to explore keyword ideas. So I'm going to click on that and see where that brings me. Let's see here. Explore keyword ideas with Easy Sketch Pro as the seed keyword. Okay, so here we are, exploring ideas, which is still running, 51 keywords and counting. And we're basically looking at viable and valid subcategories that we could use. Easy Sketch Pro is our top level keyword. We know that. That's our seed keyword. And we have things like Easy Sketch Pro Review, Download, Tutorials, Coupon. So this kind of also gives you an idea. If you were someone promoting Easy Sketch Pro, this kind of helps you understand what people are searching for. I mean, they want to know if it's a scam. They want to look for reviews. They want to look for a free copy of it on Best Black Hat Forum, which is something affiliates like myself don't like to see. They're looking for a free download, a free commercial license. They're looking for the affiliate program to promote it. So if you're reviewing Easy Sketch Pro, you might not want to have the affiliate program and encourage other people to compete against you. So you wouldn't go ahead and select all of these keywords. You just select the ones that make sense for what you're doing. And here you can see Easy Sketch B. So there's obviously something else, Easy B, that's coming up for this. So it's still going, has 160, still going. I'm going to go ahead and make it stop there. Now, it also goes ahead and searches Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, Amazon. You don't have to search all of those websites for keywords, but you could. And then once you select keywords, which I'm going to select Easy Sketch Pro Review, let's do tutorials. I'm also going to, let's see, do coupon and bonus. So I'm going to select these four, because these are all, with maybe the exception of tutorials, these are, to me, they're all buyer keywords: review, tutorials, coupon, and bonus. So with selected, I can get data, save to my hierarchy, remove, save for later, export. I'm going to save them to my hierarchy. I'm going to execute that, and then what's going to happen, oops, I was got to let it work first, I guess. So then I expect that when I move back to my silo projects. There they are. But what I want to do is make sure they are subcategories for Easy Sketch Pro, because that's really what they are. They aren't on that top level. They are divisions of Easy Sketch Pro. They break down from Easy Sketch Pro. So now you notice, now that I have this hierarchy, I can save my silo. Another thing I could do to kind of clean this up, notice how all the words are lowercase. If you do capitalize, it'll capitalize the first letter of each word, which I think is cool, and I'm going to use that. So here we have some additional features: create categories and menus, import keywords into profile. I'm going to go ahead and see what happens when I save the silo. I'm not sure if at that point it adds it to my website. I really don't know. I guess if I assume it does not, but let's take a look. Let's go to posts, categories. We don't have anything there, and I think I know why. So if we go back in here, on this side, create categories and menus. Tick this checkbox to command your blog to create the silo displayed. Okay, so that's what we want to do. We want to create this silo. Import keywords into profile. Your silo's keywords will be imported into a special section. I'm going to go ahead and do that one too. So we're going to execute this and see if it creates the silo for us. Are you sure you want to execute? Yes. So let's let it do its thing. All operations are complete. And how about that? Now you see that Easy Sketch Pro has been added to the blog categories and down here as well. The blog primary menu. And actually what I'm going to do is delete these extraneous categories. But that's what it's done for us. It's automatically, and it's also created posts, which I'm anxious to see because I didn't give it any content. So let's see what it did as far as the post. You know, it says I have a post for each one of these. I don't know if it's a blank template or what. Okay, so now let's go to Zero Best, our website, and see what's going on here. Now some of this is going to depend on the WordPress theme you're using, how it displays menus, and how you've set it up. Now here you can see our recent posts. Easy Sketch Pro bonus. Don't mind this. This is not part of the program. And here's that menu with the drop down. Okay, so this is all part of our silo. Now if we go to Easy Sketch Pro Review, it's created a post for us, but it has not added the content yet. There's that annoying pop-up. So these all link to each other, as they are all part of the silo. Okay, so now we've got that, and we've got this set up, and we'll move over to the next tab, Get Keywords. You can open Save Searches by seed keyword, explore keyword suggestions. That's what we've already come up with. Import keywords from AdWords or from text file, CSV file, and once again, if you have SEMrush, you can get keyword ideas there as well. And that would give you, this integrates very well with SEMrush from what I understand. So that will give you a lot more details in your keyword results, but obviously there is an additional expense associated with that. So now we also have, well, this is the analyzer. So this section uses SEMrush Data API, but in my official demo, which I've linked below this video. Not my official demo, but it's the official demo for Traffic Connect, created by the vendor. You can see this section in action because they give you a full example of all the features and functionality. So that's basically how we would create a silo. Now let's refresh to get rid of these extra blog categories since we've cleaned it up. But keep in mind, if you were doing this, if we were doing this for the real deal, you would have several categories here, not just one. You might even have 2 to 3 levels of subcategories. But I just wanted to show you how easy it was and see for myself how easy it was to create a silo with this product, Traffic Connect. And as you can see, if I was going to continue expanding on this silo, you can add to existing silos. You have different options here. You can import keywords at any time, export keywords, continue with your research. And it goes further than that. Now, if we open one of these content editors for one of the posts that it automatically created for us, this is where the content curation takes place. Now, you can curate images, media, there's a video browser, and then there's this. What is this $sign? Well, when we click on that, so the Amazon product search. Now, I don't have an Amazon affiliate account, which is what you would enter here to be able to use this search. But if I did, you would enter your credentials in here and then use this Amazon product search to integrate any items from Amazon into your website. So that's Amazon affiliate integration. Again, that's another thing that you will see covered, I believe, in the demo video, the official demo video link below this video in my product description. That's about it. Just a quick, overview of this software as a first-time user. I can definitely see how this would come in handy, especially for creating silos the proper way. That's about it. If you want to check it out and get the best discount and some exclusive bonuses with pretty awesome value, do check out the product review linked below this video. It will be complete by the time this video is published, so you are looking at the complete version of my product review with all of the free bonuses you will receive and the best discount possible for this software. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your support, and have a wonderful day.